Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience with IVC Telecom. IVC Telecom, a solid internet choice for flexible needs. In this video, we'll explore the key features of IVC Telecom, identifying who it's best suited for and comparing it to other internet providers in Canada. IVC Telecom stands out as a reliable and budget-friendly option for both residential and business customers. A key attraction is their no-contract internet plans, offering a level of flexibility appealing to those who prefer not to be locked into long-term agreements. Their pricing is competitive, particularly for users who prioritize consistent speeds for daily online activities such as web browsing, streaming in HD, and online gaming. One of IVC Telecom's strengths lies in its diverse range of plan options, catering to a variety of needs and budgets. Whether you're a light internet user or require a robust plan to support multiple devices in your home, IVC Telecom offers customizable packages with varying speeds and data allowances. This adaptability, combined with the ease of upgrading or downgrading your plan as needed, makes IVC an excellent option for those who value flexibility in their internet service. Setting up your internet with IVC Telecom is designed to be simple and straightforward. Clear instructions are provided for both self-installation and professional installation options. Customer service is generally responsive and helpful, offering support for technical issues and account management via phone and online channels. While IVC Telecom is a strong contender for residential internet service, it's important to note that its network coverage is more limited than some larger providers. If you reside outside their service area, you might not be able to access their services. Furthermore, while speeds are generally reliable for most users, those who are heavy data users or engage in high-demand streaming activities might find the higher-tier plans a more suitable fit for their needs. In conclusion, IVC Telecom presents a solid internet choice for users seeking flexible and affordable internet service without the constraints of long-term contracts. It's an ideal solution for casual to moderate internet users looking for a no-fuss, cost-effective option. For more information and to explore their plans, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.